I am Laura Solano. I am life and wellness coach, and I am working every day with the people who want to find their dreams for vida plena, sana, and abundante. I am from Mexico. I born in this Mexico City, and I live for 5-6 years in Sonora, in Ciudad Obregón. I arrived in the United States 7 years ago.
6 principios para tener una mente millonaria.
With coaching, I am trying to help the people to find this issue in their life that don't permit advance for find their dreams or whatever they want feel like to more healthy, or with the find the perfect couple or the perfect work or the passion and enjoy your life. I want help the people to start to live. I offer 3 different sessions for coaching. We have the personal coaching, the couple coaching, and the empresarial coaching. I want all my clients wake up every morning with a smile and with the passion for make the best day in your life. I have coaching online via Zoom for wherever you live, and I am coaching in presential in my studio here. The TV show Lo Mejor de Ti con Chiquis is in Spanish show for NBC. The host is Chiquis Rivera, and this show is talking about to the makeup inside and outside. So your feelings, your emotions, but your look too. I am working with the clothes brand Active Pair, and I believe the people need have the feel when wear the clothes for go out and work, because the motivation, because this is not for the people want say for you, this is for you, for the feeling good. And when you make exercise, whatever exercise, you really sleep well, and all the your body, your skin, and all this have a really amazing. In 2019, I make the organization, like called name is Latinas Moros. So the women come together to help us, and entrepreneur women. I show what they do, and share with the other women. The next project that is coming is the workshop tour, Enamorate De Ti. You can look in my website for the tickets. The workshops is in Spanish, but we have the translate simultaneous. You can put the small box in French, in Germany, and wherever. And I am working in write my book, Bajo las Perspectiva de Dios. Your perspective is like to this, but the God have the really good perspective for you. For next year, of course, I am open my workshops in other countries and in other cities. All my products is seller now in my website, lsbyls.com or lifestylebylaurasolano.com, and in Amazon. I really think I am living my dream life now. So the process is long, it's not easy, but it's possible. My advice is really pide, cree, visualiza y toma acción, because your life is in your hands.